Alright, so you want to get fit, but the gym just isn't your scene, or maybe you don't have any fancy equipment. Good news, you don't need any of that to get started. Here's my go-to list of 5 killer exercises you can do right in your living room. First up, bodyweight squats. Just stand with your feet shoulder width apart and squat down like you're sitting in an invisible chair. It's simple, but trust me, your legs and glutes will feel it after a few reps. Next, push-ups. If regular ones are tough, no worries. Drop your knees for a modified version. This move strengthens your chest, shoulders, and arms, and you'll build up to full push-ups in no time. Third, let's hit those abs with mountain climbers. Start in a plank position and drive your knees toward your chest, one at a time, as fast as you can. It gets your heart pumping and works your core hard. Fourth, tricep dips. All you need is a sturdy chair or even the edge of your couch. Facing away from it, place your hands behind you, lower your body down, and push back up. Hello, toned arms. Finally, plank holds. Get down on your elbows and toes, keep your body straight, and hold. It's tougher than it looks, and it's amazing for your core strength. No equipment, no excuses. Try these out, mix and match, and watch your fitness level climb, all from home. If you like these tips, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy fitness ideas.